see this car? You know it. The old Eclipse. It's done. Meaning, it's not blown up or anything. It means I'm just done with it. It's fine. It's still running. Driving. I just got done driving it. I don't want it anymore. So I'm gonna sell it. I want something different. Got some serious rust going on. You know, clear coat's all coming off. So these guys are going to be coming out the 6.5s, because those are the S9s and those are expensive. That will stay. That will stay. The back two 6x9s will stay. They're Pioneers, and everything will come out of the back except for the battery, which is junk. I'm going to be putting an old Pioneer amp in here that I don't even know if it works, and finding me a couple floppy 6.5s to stick in the doors. And yeah, leaving the wires. I can't remember what kind of RCAs I ran over here to make the 4-channel work, but I don't know. They might come out because I think it's just a 2-channel. So yeah, I'm just done with it. Sits on the ground. Sick of sitting on the ground. Look at this. See how close if I could tilt my foot all the way up, I'm not that flexible, I could almost touch boots. I mean, this thing it's right on the ground. Daggone it, my camera went all weird. But yeah, I'm sick of sitting on the ground. I'm sick of the 5-speed. I don't want to shift gears anymore. I don't want to shift gears anymore. I'm over shifting gears. There's a lot of traffic around here. It's always construction. I'm over the gear shifting, so I want to try to get $1,500 out of it, and I'm not going to get it, but I'm going to get a best offer. Since I put this junk ass $50 battery from Walmart in the front, and then I put my fuse back in, because I was like, fuck it, even though I knew the back battery was junk. It just hasn't been right. I highly apologize for that. I'm addicted to cigarettes. But yeah, it doesn't sound right. Like, it doesn't hit right, nothing. And I don't think it's just a $50 battery. I don't know. I think something's just weird. But I don't really want to take this car apart. I don't want to figure shit out. I just want to get more like a grandpa car, meaning something simple, you know, like a early 2000s Honda Accord, Toyota Corolla, you know, those middle-aged people cars. 4-door trunk, maybe do a trunk build. I just want to start from scratch and do a new build in here, or not in here, but in another car. Right now I'm worried about my truck, but yeah, this got taken off the insurance like 2 minutes ago, because I don't want to drive it anymore. Yeah. So you're gonna get to hear what it sounds like with whatever I find to put there, and old school Pioneer amp. Good stuff. Sorry, it's dark in here, and I got my humidifier or dehumidifier hooked up, running right there, because I learned a hard lesson in a block garage. You better have a dehumidifier going, or all your shit's gonna get ruined and wet. And yeah, so I'm kind of looking at my collection here, trying to find a couple cheap ass 6.5s that I can't believe I don't have laying around. I have an old DB Drive Platinum right there. That's sweet. I got some of these. I really don't want to stick them in the door. Those are the old Sonys I got Parts Express deal years ago. Back there's a brand new Lanzar 6x9. I have one of them in my truck doors that it's hooked up to factory. Can't believe in all this audio shit I have, I don't have any old 6.5s laying around. I mean, I got, those ain't 6.5s. They wouldn't go anyway. But this amp I got buried down here, look at that. Bam. Old school. I think it's even missing a screw. I don't know. 2-channel. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wait. Look. Can you see it? Yeah. 30 amp fuses, but one's a 25. That an old guy, one of my customers, gave that to me. I don't know how good it is. I don't even know if it works because I've never tried it. But I'll be finding out. I was going to stick my old Sony in there, but I'd like to keep it. Dang, I cannot believe in all this audio shit I have laying around. I have to do some Walmart searching. There they are. Boss Audio. You want to be a boss? Those right there are getting ordered. Yes, no joke. $11.26 with free shipping. Yeah, for a pair. Those are getting going to replace the DB drives in the doors, and hopefully the Pioneer amp works. And yeah, I'm sure it's just going to sound amazing for whoever wants to buy that car. But yeah, stick around. Next video, you'll see me uninstalling some things, possibly putting these guys in, maybe even trying it out. You just don't know. If you want to be a boss.